Hello everyone, my name is Nandni Mishra and I'm working on a Let's Move project as a digital marketing executive. I was pursuing MSc and I also searching for a career opportunities. Then I came to know about digital marketing courses. I have completed my digital marketing course in SE Intellect under the guidance of Sachin sir. I have learned many skills like SEO, SMM, Google Ads, and Google Analytics, and many more. And I learned to use premium tools like AHREF, SEMrush, and the environment over here was very friendly, and the staff was very helpful. So my experience with SE Intellect was very nice. If you want to join digital marketing course, I will recommend it SE Intellect.